Hi everyone and welcome back. We're here at 11 Sunset Boulevard, which is a Lewis Brothers property project that they've been working on. You know, a lot of these projects we get to see what the end result is or even how things are developing in the middle, but we wanted to take you back to something before the finished product, and that is when we first get the property. So let's go for a walkthrough and see what this place looked like when we first got possession. Well, thank you for tuning in to our Hoarder House special. Make sure that you stay tuned for our next video where we're going to be showing you some of the development of this project. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we will see you later on.